I just got out of a dental cleaning at Biohealth in Costa Rica, and I cannot say how amazing this service was. For the longest time, for my whole life, I've had problems with my teeth. Multiple dentists telling me that I don't floss very much, I don't brush well. I've had veneers, braces, wisdom teeth, but here for the first time ever, during the entire procedure, I felt comfortable. Really like the fact that they use all natural ingredients, and both you guys are just amazing. So thank you for making me feel at home. It's always, whenever you go to the dentist, you get kind of nervous because you don't know, like, is it going to be painful? Is it going to be stressful? But I had zero anxiety, no stress. I felt comfortable the entire time, and Biohealth took care of me. So thank you from the bottom of my heart so much. I can finally come to the dentist again. I've had a fear of the dentist for a long time. No longer. I'm always coming to Biohealth. Thank you so much.